If you want to drive repeat sales with Shopify and Mailchimp, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you a simple step-by-step workflow to connect your store, build smart automations, and turn one-time buyers into repeat customers. This is one of the easiest ways to increase revenue without constantly finding brand new traffic. Because once your store and email marketing are connected properly, you can follow up with shoppers at the right time and bring them back to buy again. If this tutorial helps, go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe for more practical Shopify and marketing tutorials, and let's get into it. First, open Mailchimp in your browser and sign into your account. Once you're inside the dashboard, look for the integrations area. This is where Mailchimp lets you connect your store and unlock automation features that are designed to help you sell more. Click on Integrations, and then find Shopify in the list of available connections. When you see Shopify, click it and follow the prompts to connect your Shopify store to Mailchimp. This connection is the foundation of the whole process because it allows Mailchimp to access the store data it needs to create smarter campaigns and automation workflows. After the connection is active, the next step is to head into automations. This is where the real repeat sales strategy starts. Instead of sending random emails, you'll use automation to send the right message based on customer behavior. Inside automations, click Choose Flow Template. Mailchimp will show you a variety of templates you can use to trigger follow-up messages automatically. Scroll through the available options and look for automation ideas that are relevant to e-commerce. One useful option is send an SMS when a product is back in stock. This is powerful because it lets you reach interested shoppers the moment inventory returns, which can create urgency and win back sales that might otherwise be lost. Another valuable option is notify customers when a product in their cart is back in stock. That means if someone was ready to buy, but the item sold out, you can automatically alert them when it becomes available again. That kind of timing is exactly what drives repeat sales, because you're catching customers when their intent is already high. As you review the templates, think about the customer journey from first purchase to second purchase. You want to stay in front of buyers with helpful, relevant messages instead of sending generic promotions. Mailchimp makes this easier by giving you pre-built automations that you can customize for your own store. Once you choose the flow template that fits your goal, you can continue building the automation around your products, audience, and sales process. The idea is simple. Connect Shopify, use Mailchimp automations, and set up triggers that bring people back to your store at the best possible moment. That could mean back-in-stock alerts, follow-up messages, or other customer journey flows that keep your brand top of mind. If you're running an online store, this is one of the smartest ways to increase customer lifetime value without increasing ad spend. And the best part is that once these automations are set up, they work in the background while you focus on growing your business. So, to quickly recap, go to Mailchimp, click Integrations, connect Shopify, open Automations, choose a flow template, and pick a back-in-stock style automation that helps drive repeat sales. If you found this walkthrough helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more Shopify growth tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.